Hello friends, this is Dr. Antoine Nyonge, coaching data analysis using our tool. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform text analysis using our tool. I'm going to show you how you can make a text preparation for text mining. I'm going to show you how you can make importation of your text to be analyzed, whether documents are in PDF or in words. I'm going to show you how you can create a corpus, and I'm going to show you how you can clean or create undesirable stopwords. I'm going to show you how you can make a corpus screening. I'm going to show you how you can calculate similarity for your documents. I'm going to show you how you can use cosine and jaccard similarity, even though there are some other measures that you can use when you are calculating similar document similarity. I'm going to show you also how you can compute the distances for your documents. I'm going to show you how you can identify the most frequent features in your term document matrix. I'm also going to show you how you can find the least frequent words or least frequent features. I'm going to show you how you can find features for each document. I'm going to show you how you can find keywords in context. Finally, I will show you how you can make phrase matching. Now, before you perform your analysis, you need some libraries like Quanteda, like TextMing, like title text, PDF tools, text mining, tender text plots, if you want to make some visualization, Quanteda text stats, and read text. Read text allows us to make your document importation later on this comment. If you don't have those libraries, you have to install those libraries by passing here tools and install. And when you click on install packages, you will see where you can write a name of your library or your package, and then you write it. Then you click on install. You must have a connection, friends, before making package installation. Before you perform such analysis, make sure that all your documents are in same R project. Your document must be in same R project. And when you want to create R project, you come here in file and a new project. You create a new project, you give a name, and then you save your all documents you wanted to analyze together with your new project. This command here, friends, you see here allows me to indicate where I saved my documents. Let's run this command. I'm going to create what we call corpus, which is a group of documents. This command allows me to create a corpus, and then this allows me to just print or visualize. You see corpus text is this one, and you have to indicate that you need text. Let's run this command. You will see what we have here. Now I have just my corpus, my document. You see my document are here. This technical efficiency assessment of Burundian banking system. This is the document. This is the name I gave to my first documents. This is the second button, and those are articles that I have found related to innovation and so on. This is the creation of corpus. Next is to see the number of sentences. If you need to see the number of sentences, this is the number of sentences in each document. When you want to see the number of document, you can just run this command. And you see here, friends, this command here you see is creating undesirable stopwords. If you look in your document, you can see there are some words or some characters that you do not need to have in your term document, term matrix document, and you have to clean all those words. This, for instance, if I do not want to see this this letter or this character or this parentheses, I have to indicate here. And this is stopwords which are included in text mining. Let's run this command, and I'm going to show you, for instance, according to the language you are using, you have to indicate, specify the stopwords you want to clean or to remove. For instance, when you want to remove what is the stopwords? Let's run this comment to see what is considered as stopwords in English. This comment, stopwords, you see, for instance, these words you see here, friends, are considered are stopwords: haven't, won't, cannot, whose, where's, there, because, and so on. For instance, when you are working with French, you can also see stopwords which are considered as stopwords in French. You see those words, friends. These words which are considered in French as stopwords. Okay, after creating these stopwords, now I'm going to make cleaning of my corpus. All these functions, if you want to understand the function, you use this function, this command. If you want to understand how this function works, for instance, you use this command, token. Now I'm going to remove what? I'm going to remove punctuation. This is to remove numbers. This allows to remove symbols, separator, URL, when you are working some document from internet. This is to make two lower letters. This is to remove my all stopwords I have created here. If I don't want to create these stopwords, I will just use stopwords only. I will use stopwords only. If I haven't created this, I will write only this one. Here I will write English. And this is to steaming, to remove last words, but when those words are removed, we will not change the sense of my sentence or my word. Let's run this command for cleaning my corpus. After cleaning my corpus, what is next? I'm going to begin by some analysis. For instance, I'm going to show you how you can make similarity analysis. There are some methods that can be used to analyze similarities, like cosine, jaccard, and jaccard, dice, simple matching, and so on. But this is a kind of analysis that you can do if you have many documents, if you are making comparison of your document. And this system of similarity is the one which is used in recommending when you see, or referencing when you see, for instance, when you are on internet and you see Google is showing you some products or some document. This is based on the fact that you have viewed a document or an article and it proposes you another similar document or object. Okay, let's learn this to see similarity of my documents. And this is also important when you are making your research, because you have to include in your references a document which are similar. You can, before you use a document as a reference, you can see that document or such document is similar to the whole or is related to the topic you are dealing with. Let's learn this, friends. This is the document, the function is this one. And you see I'm working in the clean document matrix, and this I have to indicate the method. This is a cosine, because I said there are many methods. If you want to change, you just need to change to replace cosine by any other method you want to use, for instance, jaccard or simple matching, and you will get the result. Now this is similarity analysis of my documents, and let's show you how it looks like. For instance, when you compare document with the, let's move again. When you compare, for instance, the first document to itself, you see similarity is 1. But when you compare the first document, this is an article that I have produced on technical efficiency of Burundian bank analysis using data environment analysis. This is one. This is an article, and all those articles you see are related to innovation. And when you compare this article to this one, you see similarity is with this one. When you compare this article, so this one, my article, this one to this one, you see the similarity. When you compare to this one to the first article, you see the similarity. and so on. When you compare this first article to for article, you see similarity. When you compare this first PDF article to itself, you do see similarity is 1, but you compare, when you compare this article to this one, you see similarity is this one, and so on. You can consider any merger. What you have to do just is to replace. For instance, I copy this. Let's show you, friends. I copy this, and I will use another merger. For instance, when I want to use, for instance, simple matching. Let's use simple matching. I copy this simple matching, and I replace here in cosine, like this, friends. I want to show you how you can just, and what is next, it's just to learn this, to see the results, like this, friends, and you will see similarity. Okay, friends, I show you how you can change it to use any measure you want. This is, for instance, the next is jaccard. It's the same rule, same game. When you want, for instance, you have main document and you have to indicate the minimum rate of similarity, you have to use this one. A document which has less than 60% or 0.6 will not be displayed or will not be presented in your matrix. This is to indicate the minimum similarity rate you want. Okay, friends, now you see this the same analysis, but you see the rate of similarity is greater than 6%. That's why you have all documents. Okay, friends, now I'm going to show you how you can calculate distance for your documents. The higher the distance, less similar are your documents. There are some methods that you can use, the Euclidean distance, Manhattan, maximum, and so on. And just I'm showing you how you can make text analysis, how you can text mining. Let's learn this comment, friends. This is to calculate similarity. By default, the distance is the method used is the Euclidean. Now this is the result. You see. Okay, friends, now let's continue. Now I'm going to show you how you can identify the most frequent fields in your term document matrix. This is the comment. You see, now I'm still working on document I cleaned. Look, now I want to see in all documents what are the most frequent terms used in my document. You see, for instance, this is the result: enough, efficient, bank, develop, and so on. Now let's show you how you can see the least frequent fields. Now this is the comment, but you have to use decreasing here. Let's run this comment. You see the results, least fields. Now I'm going to see, so I'm going to show you how you can find top filters by document. I'm going to show you how you can find top filters of individual document or by document. Let's run this comment and you see each document and the top filter. Let's show you, for instance. You see here, for instance, the document in Word. You see efficient. You see this one. You see bank. You see technical or technique. You see score. First document in PDF. You see this one. You see this. You see this one, and this the second document in PDF. You see this one, and so on. This is how you can see by documents top filters of your documents you are analyzing. Now I'm going to show you how you can perform keyword in context. That means you want to see how a word was used in a context. For instance, you see here, friends, because I was working in Burundian banking system. Here, when I want to see, for instance, Burundi, I can just write here Burundi. You see the comment, keywords in context. This is to tokenize my corpus, and I just indicate the name I want, and now this is for global use. This indicate here Windows here indicate the number before and after this word you are searching. For instance, when later on this comment, you will see the results. Okay, friends, this is how Burundi was used, because I just steam Burundi. That's why you see Burundian, Burundi. Okay, this one. Look, assessment of Burundian banking system. That's what was about my article of Burundian banking system. You see here, before we have 2 words and after we have 2 words also. Show that Burundian banking system to support and so on. And you see here, those words are in the same document. But if there are this word Burundi was used in other document, I was going to see the documents. Let's run this comment for innovation, for instance, and you will see what I'm talking about. Let's run this comment. I'm working on innovation. This is to mean how innovation was used in all documents. Let you consider one word before, and one word after. But when I reduce the size of these letters, you can see or now. When I consider one word after and before, you can see how innovation was used. This is financial innovation. And innovation, to innovation, less innovative, hinder innovation, and so on. Now, suppose that you have a group of words or phrases. You want to analyze how those phrases or how the group of words was used in a context. Here, for instance, when I consider technical efficiency, I want to see how technical efficiency was used in the context of my article. Let's run this comment here, just to indicate 2 words after and before, technical efficiency. Let's run this comment and you see the results. You see, because there are many, let's consider only one, because I cannot visualize all the results because they are. You see here, the words after, you see words after do not come because they are here. These words are, these words after are this one. Because the space is not enough, I increase the size of the letters. That's why it's difficult to see. Okay, friends, this is how you can make in easier way your analysis on text analysis or text mining. I think this video will help you. I invite you to like it and share it, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel so as not to miss next videos. Thank you for watching my video. For next video, bye.